Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Abe here, and I am here doing my very first sneaker unboxing. Now, I'm not gonna tell you guys what sneakers they are yet. I'm just gonna wait and let y'all find out once I open the box. So I placed the order for these about 4 days ago. I got the shipping confirmation saying it wasn't gonna be delivered till like 10 days later. But what do you know, I got it like 4 days later. So I'm gonna open it for you guys real quick. If you are new to the channel, it would mean a lot if you subscribed. I make a lot of dope basketball videos. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the very top of the channel. Hit the bell button right next to it to turn on post notifications. That way you get notified right once I post a new video and you can watch it right away. And then make sure you smash that like button right down below. Let's just get into it. I don't got a box cutter, so I'm just gonna use scissors. Now I will tell you guys that, drop the scissors. I will tell you guys that these aren't just like casual lifestyle sneakers. These are actually hooping sneakers. Also, if you're into couples channels, I run a couples channel with my girlfriend. That's how we started on YouTube. It's called Abe and Sav. Make sure you go check that out. Oh, what is this? What is this? Talking about some boots, winter boots. These actually look pretty fly though, I'm not gonna lie. My receipt along with the return label. All right, now I'm gonna turn this over and see if you guys can recognize the logo. Y'all see that? Woo! I bet you didn't expect me to get some Converse, huh? All right, let's pull it out. So obviously we got the main logo on the top, get the rest of the shoebox. Now, a lot of you may already know I'm a huge Phoenix Suns fan, and one of my favorite players on the Phoenix Suns was Kelly Oubre. Now, I'm sure everyone already heard, we just traded Kelly Oubre for Chris Paul. You know, it kind of got me in my heart right here because I love Kelly Oubre, and he honestly changed the basketball culture in Phoenix so much. I pretty much bought these shoes because of Kelly Oubre. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm stoked to have Chris Paul here in Phoenix. We're finally a good team. We just signed Jay Crowder, and I'm pumped for this coming season, but I'm gonna miss Kelly Oubre. And Kelly Oubre actually wears these in games, and since I was such a big fan of him, I still am. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna finally try it. I'm gonna get these shoes and try them out. Let's open it. Ooh, dang. Ooh, these are fresh. Damn. Oh my god, they look better in person. So obviously I got the Converse All-Star BB Evo. They are hooping shoes. I'm super excited to play in these. These look way better in person. They looked dope on the website, but I gotta be honest, they look way better in person. This colorway is called White Green Glow Fresh Yellow. They had a few other colorways in these, but I personally love white shoes, and this was the closest thing I could get to all white. And I love the pop of color it has in it. So it's got like yellow, green, blue, white, orange, and from what I heard, it's got a really snug fit. So I ended up going with an 11.5, which is what I usually wear in all my shoes. Nike, it sometimes kind of depends on the style of shoe. As we all know, Converse is owned by Nike, and it looks like they actually put the Nike React foam inside as the cushioning. I'm gonna take the insole out because I'm curious what it looks like. So it looks like the React is actually the insole. Really stuck in there. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. All right, so look at how thick this insole is, guys. So this green part is literally what your weight is sitting on. All this white here is just the border and it's sticking up. So obviously it's got these sidewalls here for additional support. We got the logo on the tongue. We got the other Converse logo here on the back. And it looks like the eyelets are literally just like fly wire stitched on the shoe. The lace actually goes underneath the fly wire and wraps back around. Now it's not like your normal Nike shoe with fly wire going inside the shoe. It's just like they got the string, they just stitched it right on top. Another cool thing I saw about these is that they're actually glow in the dark. So I'm gonna test it real quick. Let's turn the light off. Damn, look at that. And is that the Converse logo on the bottom? You can't even see that when the light's on. All right, let me turn this light off real quick. Look at that, guys. Damn, that's actually really dope. I like that a lot. So I bought these from the actual Converse website. I got them for $114. So yeah, I paid full price for them, but I really wanted these shoes and I can't wait to start playing in them. You can see the back of it goes up a little bit higher than the front. And that's just for additional ankle support. So I'm gonna call these a low top, but on their website, they do label it as a mid. I actually have it pulled up on my phone here. It has a hyper thin curved outsole with a generative diamond lug design that provides optimal grip in every direction. Another thing I noticed is they have that super thin outsole to provide that low to ground feel and responsiveness. That way you have more control cutting in and out on the court. So I'm super excited to play in these. I just want to head to a court and put them on real quick and just start playing right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Rate these on a scale from 1 to 10. Would you buy these? Do you think they're trash? What do you think? Have you tried them before? I really want to know your guys' opinion, but I gotta be honest, no matter what anybody else thinks, I personally love these. I love the fact that they have that low to ground feeling. I'm probably gonna make a performance review on these soon. I'm super busy lately, so whenever I can get into the gym and film. But that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, smash that like button, comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.